largest production motorcycle engine. If your name was Big Dog, you'd probably want a bike like this. My brother Big Dog from Prospect, this was his particular motorcycle, and he pimped it out. He got the Naugatuck leather, and it's got this custom quad pipes on it. It's completely, absolutely immaculate machine. This thing's bad to the bone. If you look up bad to the bone in the dictionary, there's a picture of this ride right here. Fuel injected, Rocket 3, 2300 cc's, a big ass, badass muscle. Big Dog did it right. He always got the top of the line with all that shit.